Okay, we're here at the bathroom. So we have there's a lot of parking all around here. There's lots of picnic tables over there. Okay, and lots of cars. I think people are just sleeping, so they park away from the lights. So I'm gonna use the restroom and then we'll continue the trip. Okay, so we're in the restroom and it's like they said, it's not a water toilet, it's just a pit. So yeah. Alright, so my dad agreed. It doesn't smell bad. They put some stuff so it smells good in there. Obviously it's just a pit, but yeah, there's nowhere to wash your hands, so make sure you have like wipes or something. It looks like they do have some hand sanitizer or something, but that's not enough for everybody that comes to the bathroom, okay? There's just one. Alright, that's it. I have my own wipes, so yeah. See you guys at, where are we going? Salt Lake City, Utah. Alright, we're now in a dead zone. You can see the map won't even load anymore. Music got cut off. And yeah, it says we'll arrive with 15%. We'll see. Hopefully we got signal when we get there. I guess signal came back a little bit, not completely, the moment I stopped the recording. So music came on and everything. Alright, so we arrived at this Winnemucca, Nevada superchargers. These ones are pull-in chargers, so you actually drive into them, don't back into them. And they're diagonal, so the Cybertruck is nice because you get this, so you can actually see if you're gonna smack into it, and then you can see where the truck is going. And yeah, pretty cool. Alright, so Tesla, only if vehicle is charging, so don't park here and be a butt with your car unplugged. Alright, I mean, if it's not blocking the way, I don't see why it would be a problem, but anyways, I'm going to also try and fix the tire pressures. And if you want to see here, let's get rid of that. Okay, so I created this new trip thing, and I did it 351 miles late. That's why it says road trip minus 351 miles. So since I created that, we drove another 85 miles, and yeah, we used 552 watt hours per mile because I get to charge for free. That's why I'm doing this road trip right now. I have a year of free supercharging. I'm driving faster, so I'm going like 80 plus the whole way. So you can see we drained to 10% to get here. All right, so let's go ahead and plug this thing in. Make sure you're not going to open the door and smack it into the pole. All right, this one has a trash can. Tells you not to litter because a lot of Tesla superchargers before didn't even have trash cans, so people were just throwing stuff on the floor, which is stupid. I mean, just bring it with you and then find a trash can. Oh, I should have pulled in further, but it's okay. This still reaches. Good, so you didn't have to pull in all the way. So if you have a trailer, you can technically leave your trailer there, but hopefully people won't like crash into you. Okay. You can see I had plenty of room to move forward. I mean, I had the camera, I could see. There's a giant casino right there. And a restaurant, but I don't know if they're even open now. I see other cars there, so maybe they're open, but I don't know. So there's a Burger King up there, it looks like, and some glass, fast glass, probably for fixing windshield chips. Got a Chevron, and I can't really read those because it's sideways, but there's those. And yeah, Motel 6. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Oh, let's go ahead and see how much we need to charge here. Hour and 15 minutes, continue trip. What if I want to charge to 100%? Oops, sorry, we'll do a one-time charge. So, or one-time setting to 100%, alright. And I don't know if this one has an idle fee. It doesn't. It probably does. They all do, I think. But if nobody's here, I wonder if they still charge you that idle fee. Because what if you're like passed out and don't wake up in time? Oh, the way I can check. Well, we'll continue trip. We'll add stop. Go to charging again, and we'll tap this, and you can see idle fees. It says up to $1 per minute. Does that mean if it's not busy they won't charge you idle fees? I don't know how that works, but anyways, this is where we are, Fountain Way, Winnemucca. All right, so next let's go ahead and see. So we have another 357 miles to go, so we're definitely going to need another charging stop. So let's go to chargers. You can see all the chargers along the way again. And let's see, this one is how far? 150 miles, and that's a 250 kilowatt. So maybe we'll stop at that one. We could probably reach that one, but again, it's faster to charge when your percentage is low. But at the same time, you don't want to make it to where you're like just barely making it. So let me see, I don't know, let me see how much charge it will take, because sometimes if we're going down a hill, it might actually be good. Okay, so let's see, we'll add this one. 35, so we need to charge for 35 minutes to get there, or we need to charge 35 minutes there to get to the other one. What is this? It's gonna calculate for a while. Anyways, I'm gonna charge to 100%. We'll find out. We'll let this run, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, looks like I packed well enough that I can actually lean this chair all the way back and pull it far back enough I can sleep comfortably in here. Plenty of room. Alright, so I'm gonna take a nap as well. We'll see you guys later. Did it update? Still didn't update, so I don't know. We'll just charge to 100. Alright, according to this, an hour and 10 minutes to charge to 100%. It is 51 degrees Fahrenheit outside. I'm gonna turn the air on a little bit so it's not as cold in here, but we should be good. Somebody put a banana here. I thought it was a sticker. What is that? Flow City? What is that? Alright, so we're now gonna boil some water for cup noodle. Gotta wait till it heats up. Alright, so the water's starting to boil. Alright, got some shrimp maruchan. Okay, now we have the cup noodles with the hot water. We just gotta wait 3 minutes. Alright, we charged to 100%. It's now 6:14. I'm gonna go to this supercharger. It says we'll arrive with 22%. And then we gotta charge up. Let's see, where should we go? Add stop. Charging. There's not many in between, huh? Okay, so there's this one here. Is this one like at the bottom of a hill or something?
In 500 feet, turn left onto West Winnemucca Boulevard.
Which one are we at right now? This is... How do I check which one's what? This is Wells. And that's West. Nope. So Wells is first. And then West. There we go. So we'll go there. We'll go there. This one, we'll see. Alright, we'll see you guys then. Here's the cup noodle.